Oh mate, it's jank. Oh. Oh, it's so warm. Oh, it's dripping down my arm. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to do something on the Subaru, not the Honda.
No way.
We're going to do oil and the filter. So as per recommendation on the Subaru forums, we're going to use some 10W40 Shell Helix. And because I'm cheap, we've got a Bosch filter.
Let's get into it.
Don't actually know where the oil filter is in this car, so I'm going to jack it up and have a peek underneath. So to get to the oil filter and the sump plug, you have to get this plastic cover underneath that protects the engine from anything that kicks up. So we've got some pop clips and some bolts. We're going to get that done now. So to get the 4 bolts off, it's a 12mm spanner. Oh, they're well loose. Plug's right here. Oil filter's right there. Probably the best locations they can probably be.
Couldn't really be much easier.
So much easier to get to than the Civic. So we're going to get that done now, get them off, find out the size of this. It's probably a 17, normally universal 17. Get that off, drain it, let it drain for like half hour so it gets it all out. Get that off and put it back on, fill it up. 17mm spanner, I'm going to crack the nut. Oh really? Spanner's stuck, mate. Let's see how clean a Subaru oil is.
How long's it been since an oil change?
5,000 miles.
Oh, 5. Oh, Honda was only 6, and that was pretty dirt. Oh my god. Oil was a lot warmer than the Hondas, even though the Hondas was warmed up for 3 or 4 minutes or so. So it's really really low viscosity. So it's draining really nicely. So all we're going to do now is drop it flat. There is an axle stand behind that jack, so don't worry, your little cotton socks. And yeah, so get it drained out, then whop the oil filter out and in.
So to drain it all, you need to get some air in it. So take your oil filler cap off and just let it drain. Should drain a bit more out.
We're not doing spark plugs, so you don't need to worry about stuff going in the engine. Yeah,
we'll have a video on spark plugs coming soon, because that is literally a video in its own, because they're incredibly a pain in the arse. It's been about 20 minutes. We've let all the oil drain out. You get your car back up, check the oil properly.
Yeah, nothing's dripping out now. It's all out into that bucket.
So the oil filter, we're going to get that out now. We actually got some proper tools this time. It's a 65mm cup, and then you just put, here's the other side spanner.
Oh, you want the little one?
Yeah, next to you.
Time to get the filter undone.
Oh, loose. Maybe that's because you've got proper tools.
That was well easy.
Oh, why is it drip? Oh mate, it's jank. Oh, it's so warm. Oh, it's dripping down my arm. Oh.
I love oil. Just put the filter in the bucket.
Oh, I've got the cup on the end. Simon, can you get me some paper towels? Just a few. So I can put the oil filter on it.
Mate, this was so easy. Literally, filter, drain plug.
There's quite a bit of oil in there.
Yeah. Still though.
I had quite a bit of oil, more oil than yours.
Huh?
More oil in my filter than yours.
Yeah, because mine drips all over my face.
Get the oil filter. Just gonna pour a little bit in, rub it around the seal, get it nice and lubed. And then we're not going to fill it up like Ollie did. We're just going to put
a little bit in the middle.
a little bit in the middle. Oh, nice oil in there. And then rub it in.
Around the rubber as well.
Round. All around in there. Get it nice in the nooks and crannies. And then it goes in. And underneath it we're just, hopefully, screws in.
The Subaru and the Honda oil filters are they the same size?
I think they're the same size. Same size thread, not the same size filter.
No, the Honda's is bigger, but same thread. Then you just want to do it up hand tight again.
It's a bigger cup. I'm going to do it up a little bit tight. Oh, fucking hell, what am I thinking? I don't know what size it is, so you might as well stop it.
Filter up hand tight, just trying to get a tiny little bit more on it just to be like positive they ain't gonna leak.
But my hands are so oily, I can't get a grip on it. And the filter's oily. Oh, I think I'm gonna leave it at that. That's like...
I'm pretty sure it's 3/4 turn after it's hit the gasket. That's about 12 to 14 Newton meters, I think. In it?
Yeah.
Torque setting?
Like that.
Something like that. So yeah, it won't leak. Then you just gotta whop the sump plug back in and then put some new juice in it.
And put your sump plug back in with your washer. Put the washer on there.
Other end.
Where's it gone? Oh, it's over here. You know, I know what I'm doing. Don't worry about that.
Oh yeah.
And then get your 17mm on it. Get your spanner on it. Oh, it would help if it was doing up rather than loosening. And just nip that up.
No idea what the torque setting is for that, but just
nip it up.
yeah.
Don't do it too tight. Don't over tighten it, but don't obviously leave it loose. Just nip it up. And then we go up the top and fill it up. So we're going to drop the car, fill it up with fresh new oil, and then lift the car back up again and put the
Under tray back on.
I'm only dropping it now and filling it up, and then I want to check for leaks, make sure it's all good. So,
Putting 5 litres of new head gasket destroying juice in. Go on, actual funnel this time.
Goes a lot slower.
Tilt it to the side. You're getting air brake in it then.
Yeah, but it's not.
Wow, that is one slow. Oh, it's the filter in it.
Yeah.
Funnel's got a filter in it, so it's going in so slow.
Really. 5 minutes to put about half a litre in, so we're going to sack it off and just do it the old-fashioned way and get it all over the engine block. Oh my god.
That does genuinely just going really slow.
That'd be funny if it does.
It looks like it might. Mate, that literally looks like the jelly in pork pies.
Well, it's all fine, it's not dripping, so I'm happy with it. Do you reckon we should start it before this? You recording?
Yeah.
This is really pissing me off. Out of everything we've done today, getting this bloody panel is the hardest thing. The bolts do not line up, nothing lines up. Pain in my ass. I want to go home. I've lost the bolt. All this just to change the bloody oil and the filter. And putting 4 bolts in is... This doesn't line up. Oh, I've lost it. It's fallen off. Can you see it anywhere? Do it. One last bolt and we are done. I think, people, we're done. All out. When you're all done and you think it's got no leaks and you've done everything, jack will stand out. Drop the car nicely.
Bit fast, but.
And then go to your engine bay and check your dipstick now that the car's flat. Take your dipstick out, clean it off, stick it back in, and it should be just above the second hole, which mine is. So.
Wait, what second hole?
Oh.
Sweet.
So we've got enough oil in there, mate. Yeah, that's how you do an oil filter and 5 litres of new oil on your car. Dispose of your oil safely. So yeah, hope you like that video. Please tune in for the next one. Please like and subscribe and hit that bell notification. I'll see you later.
We have got a group of intake to install.